Here we are at Titoki Wetland Reserve, and I'm going to try and fly the drone. It's a restricted area in the DJI system, so normally you would need all the respective permissions to fly, including the DJI one. Anyway, I've just switched on the drone and it says takeoff permitted, and it now has satellites enough to record the home point. And so here we go. I'm going to put the video on so I can start recording a video for you. And I'm now recording. Here we go, starting up. I am at under 6 meters. Working perfectly. Well, that's all that's needed to prove the point, so now I'll land. Thank you. Here we are in Gilbert Street by the river Wanganui. It's a DJI designated restricted zone, so normally one cannot fly here. One can fly legally by the laws of the country, but DJI won't allow me to. So I'm now going to fly here. The river's just over here and the airport is not far further over, maybe a kilometre or two that way. So let's start flying. Just wait till this car goes past. It's quite windy here, so here we go. Okay, so I'm flying here, and you can see what I'm doing here. You can see that it's a legitimate shielded operation. I'm flying below the height of this building here, which is less than 100 meters away, and the power lines, etc., etc. If I turn around over to this way, you can see that in the distance there is the Wanganui airport. So let's land again. We've proven that it flies with no problem at all.